Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset Life360 password. So in order to do this, simply open the Life360 application and you'll be on your dashboard. Here, click on this settings gear icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now when you click on this settings icon, it will show up this page. Here, scroll down at the bottom, then click on logout. After this, click on logout again. After you click on logout, this will instantly take you out of your account. Now, if you'd not be already logged into your account, you'll be on this page. If you install the app, you'll be on this default page. So, we are at this page. Here what you're going to do is simply click on the sign in button that says already have an account. After you click on sign in, you'll have to enter your mobile number. Now, after entering your mobile number, click on continue button. Now after you enter your mobile number and click on continue, it will show up this page that says welcome back. Enter your password. Now what you'll have to simply do here is click on the forgot password option available. Now when you click on this forgot password button, it will instantly open a browser on your mobile phone and it will show up this page. Here you can see you'll have to add your mobile number, then click on continue. After you choose your country code, add your mobile number and click on continue, it will show up this page. Now as you can see, a text message and an email will be sent to your mobile number and your email address respectively. You'll have to just copy the code and paste it in the fields, then you'll be taken to this page that says reset your password. You'll have to basically enter your new password, confirm the password, then click on continue. After you click on continue, the password you would have entered in these fields will be set as your current password. So that is the simple way to reset Life360 password. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.